see how we can make money using these programs, let's first understand the concept of affiliate marketing. The concept of affiliate marketing is very simple. For example, let's say you become an affiliate for Amazon and you bring a person to their site. Now if that person makes a purchase, you will get a commission. This is how affiliate marketing works. But how to bring a person to Amazon? When you sign up as an affiliate for Amazon, you will get an affiliate link. You need to promote this link so that you get paid when people buy from it. There are many ways to share this link, but the best way is by creating a website. This is how it works. A person visits your site and clicks on your affiliate link. This will take him to Amazon. Once he buys the product, you will get the commission. The best part about this is, even if that person buys some other product, you will still get the commission. He or she just has to make a purchase within 24 hours. That's it. Let's get started. Now let's see how to promote products from Amazon and make sales. The first step is to choose the type of product you want to promote. To do that, first go to Amazon.in and click Shop by Category. Now select a category in which you're most interested in. This is very important because what you choose here is going to be the topic of your website in the next step. I selected shoes as my topic. I just created a site called bestshoes.in. Once you have created your site, you can go to the next step, which is to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. To do that, go to Amazon.in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Become an Affiliate. Click this button and complete the sign up process. Once you are done, you will see this page. Your Amazon Associate account is now ready. The next step is to select the item you are going to promote. To do that, first go to Google and search for Amazon India bestsellers. Now click the first link and select your category from the left side. This will show you the top selling products in that category. Now choose a product which has at least 4-star rating or higher. Take a look at the features and read the user reviews to get an idea about the product. If you like it, go to the next step, writing an article about the product. Let me show you an example of an article you can write. First, go to the WordPress site you have created. Click New and Post. Now, start writing an article about the product you have chosen. I'm going to write about the best running shoe. Make sure you have read all the user reviews and the product features so that you can list down its pros and cons. Next, add an image of the product. Now comes the important part, adding your affiliate link. To add your affiliate link, first find a buy button from Google Images. Then add it to your article. Now go to the product page on Amazon and click Link to this page. Right click here and copy the link address. This is your affiliate link. Then go to the article. Click the buy button and click Edit. Select Link to custom URL and paste it. Also check Open Link in a new tab. Click Update and click Publish to post the article. Now you can see that clicking this button allows the user to buy the product using your affiliate link. So this is how you can promote products using your affiliate link. Always make sure you write articles which provide some kind of benefit to your readers. This will attract more visitors to your website. Alright, now let's see how to check your earnings on Amazon. So once you're logged in, you will see the total earnings for the month here. To see the items you have sold, click this link. These are the products people have bought using your link. For example, here someone has purchased a Dell laptop for 17,000 rupees and Amazon has paid a commission of 5%, which is rupees 894.